Motor City Classic Car Club. We out here. First annual Motor City picnic. We got these rides out here. Y'all don't know. Y'all better recognize. Yeah. Making things happen out here.
Every model, he tell me that he know. Yeah, so I had to stop because he got to take most of all my models, man. Yeah, you know God, you know him.
Excuse me, fellas.
That's a good way to do it, too, every time you learn.
Yeah, he know him.
Every time you learn one, I'm going to give you some money.
Yep. Yeah, them sounds when they got it good, I'm a,
oh, yeah.
let him, yeah, that's it, that's it. He ain't gonna find them. I ain't seen nobody want him, and I done went to a lot of shows. I done went to a lot of shows, and a lot of clubs. How come you don't come down here on, 4 o'clock in the afternoon? Parking on the grass. Or you parking the parking lot, but it's crowded. But now they put the gas line in.
Yeah, that's what we do. We ride these boys. Come out and mess with us. You know? Got them L dogs back to back. We do this.
Alright, see him over there. Eye on the tag. You heard. Hey, where your shirt at, man? Where your shirt at? Man, you on some bullshit for real. Hey, who is this? What up?
Accent 63, I think.
Elmwood. Yeah, 64. Yeah, 64. Talk about that. Where your shirt at, bro? That's all work, dog. I saw with an M. That's $35. Yeah. Have your shirt on. Where your shirt at, bro? I saw them. Who's Blue Rider that, KP? That's your Blue Rider? Where'd you get that? I tried to give you mine that day.
Yeah, we do this. We love this shit. Motor City Classic Riders. Yeah. Beautiful day. Out here showing these rides out. We got them. Clean. Sun up to sundown.
That's what's up, bro. You gotta look good.
Yes, sir, bro.
Whatever, Reggie. Whatever. Go on and start it up, Reggie. But you got the keys to it or whatever, Reggie.